Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mia Abdul Wahad Shahid, roll number 2031. This is the presentation of application of morphological operations. So, morphological operations in the context of point sets or point clouds follow similar principles to those used in image processing, but are adapted to work with spatial point data. These operations are useful for analyzing and processing spatial structures represented as points. As in stated in the image over here, the outline of the first image is highlighted, and the second image, which is the morphological operation, which will be discussed further. So what it actually does, it highlights the boundary of the first morphological image used for operation. So the first step in the morphological operation is the origin. What origin does, it removes points from the edges of a point set. As you can see, the points highlighted as 111, which actually represents the value of the image. For the point clouds, this would mean reducing the point's cloud size by eliminating points from its edges. So as you can see, the the inward value is only saved when erosion technique is applied. The rest of the boundary is removed. The upper three values, the lower two and the lower five, are removed from this side. Similarly, values are removed from this side as well, thereby decreasing its volume or area. So what dilation does, this operates adds points to the boundary of a point set. In the context of a point cloud, dilation would involve expanding the point cloud by adding new points around the periphery of the existing cloud, effectively increasing its volume or area. The highlighted area is left for as it is, but the weak pixel points are highlighted so that they can be transformed for better visualization. Opening and closing technique. So the basic morphological techniques include opening and closing other than erosion and dilation. Opening is a combination of erosion followed by dilation. In point sets, opening can smooth the outline of a set, break narrow isthmias, and eliminate thin protrusions. As you can see, uh, the openings are far more softer than the original image, as it has already highlighted has already been highlighted in the point D, the opening section. Closing is the reverse process of opening, involving dilation followed by erosion. In point clouds, closing can fill small hole gaps in the data, join nearby clusters, and smooth the outer boundaries. These figures represent the techniques involved in the uh, morphological operations. So, bottom head transformation. This operates reveals dark elements on a bright background. It can be used to identify clusters of points in a point cloud that are denser or more compact than their surroundings. So the last technique is morphological gradient. What it does, it actually operates in the operation involves the difference between the dilation and erosion of a point set. It can be used to identify the boundary region of a point cloud or the transition areas within the cloud. So we have discussed the morphological techniques involved in digital image processing.